How's it going, guys? It's Jacob here with the Helmet Center, and today we're looking at our 2016 Honda CBR300R. Real simple bike, great beginner bike for all you guys wanting to get into riding motorcycles. It's got brand new tires on it, front and rear, along with a fresh oil change and a new oil filter. It is a pre-owned 300, so it's not going to be perfect. But overall, I mean, not a whole lot of little nicks or anything in it. Some little scratch marks here and there. Stock exhaust. No rips or tears in the seat. Go ahead and take a look at that back tire. Again, guys, you can check this bike out any day of the week here at the Helmet Center. We're located on 43rd Avenue in Union Hills, Glendale, Arizona. You got some scratch marks here on the tank, probably because it doesn't have any kind of tank cover on it. The mileage on this, you guys might be able to see, it's a little sunny out today. 16,710. Go ahead and fire up real quick. Again, very nice bike to start off on, to learn on. There's real simple, all gloss black paint going on. Overall, a very clean bike. We're going to be listing this one at $3688. You guys can check out our website at hdpowersports.com for more information on this motorcycle. If you got any questions, give us an email or call us at 623-444-4789. Thanks.